wrong, Eddie?
I missed school yesterday and now I'm behind.
I'm sorry. Getting behind can be pretty frustrating.
I started feeling better around noon. If only I had all my worksheets and assignments from school, I could have completed my work.
Well, why didn't you just go use Planbook?
Planbook? What is Planbook, James?
I'm so glad you asked. Planbook is a place where your teachers keep their lesson plans and worksheets. You can get to Planbook from the school's website.
Can you help me get to Planbook?
Sure, Eddie. Type in Vassar Public Schools in the search bar. Then hit enter. When it comes up, click on the hyperlink, Vassar Public Schools. Now click on the Schools tab. Scroll down. Click on Vassar Middle School and High School. On this page, click on Menu. You have two options. You have the middle school. You have the high school. Let's click on the middle school tab. Once you click on that, scroll down to middle school staff. After you click on middle school staff, you'll see that all their pictures come up. I'm looking for Mr. Heinrich. I don't see him on page 1. That's okay. There's another page. Let's click on page 2 and scroll down until we find Mr. Heinrich's picture. And once we get there, let's stop. You can see on this screen you have Mrs. Scribner, you have Mr. Sheehan, and you have Mr. Heinrich. If you want access to their lesson plans, you just have to click on the hyperlink, which is displayed at the bottom. Click on Mr. Heinrich's lesson plan link. So we click on that, and then the entire week will show on this screen. Let's say that you missed last Friday's homework. Click on the back arrow, and we can go to last Friday. Let's say that you didn't get the homework for math class. If you look in the math class section, you can see where the assignment's listed. Now let's get the worksheet. Let's scroll down and you will see a hyperlink. It should be in blue. Left click on that and then look to the bottom left of your screen. You can open it up. Click on open and there's the homework. You don't need to have a printer. Just work on a separate sheet of paper. Here is page 151. Scroll down a little bit and you can clearly see here is page 152. Now you have the homework that you missed. Let's click on this tab. Click on the back arrow. Click on the back arrow again. Let's click on schools. Let's scroll down to Central Elementary. Click on that and then let's stop. In this scenario, let's imagine that you already know that you are leaving early on Thursday and you know that you're going to miss social studies. You just have to go back to Planbook and see what's going on during that time in social studies. Let's click on the menu tab. Go over to staff, left click on the staff tab, and there are the central teachers. You can scroll down, find your teacher, click on his plan book, and there you can see the entire week. Remember though, you need to go to Thursday. Scroll down until you get to social studies. And you can see under social studies, there's two different links for videos that you can open up and watch. So if you think you're going to miss Thursday, there it is.